everybody. How have you been? It's old Drifter here. Today is going to be a travel day. We're heading out of this campground I've been staying in. Me and old Russ been up for a little while doing a morning thing. He's decided to go lay back down because he's just a lazy bum like that, ain't you? He's just a lazy bum. He's my buddy though. Anyhow, had a good night's stay at this campground. Nice wooded areas. Just a little bit stuffy yesterday, but last night was nice and cool. Slept good. So, gonna finish getting packed up here, getting things put away, ready to travel, and then I guess we're gonna head south. I know that don't seem right with the weather getting hot. Most people are going north. Well, me and her are going south. So, yep. We get on down the road a little ways. I'll come back and update you where we're at and what we're doing. We'll be back. But we're still traveling down the road. It's hot today. Woo-wee. We had to stop at a Walmart. Stopped at a Walmart. Can you see the Walmart? Anyway, stop and get some supplies. Poor Rusty's hot. We get going on the road in a minute, buddy. Yeah, it's time to get supplies, pick up a little bit of groceries, a little bit of stuff I don't need, get me some more foam for the bed, buy me a bunch more washcloths because I always end up using mine for cleaner rags. Got me a new coffee cup, paper towels, whatnots, blah, 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 blah. We're ready to go. All right. And Felicia is over yip-yapping. Yip-yapping. Quit your yip-yapping, we gotta go. Yeah, okay. Let me finish putting the stuff up. And my cookies, can't forget them. We're gonna get back on the road. Well, we're traveling. This is travel day number 3. Yeah. So we actually stopped at a Walmart last night, spent the night, and we spent the day in a nice little park with the beach and water and lake. It was pretty good. I just didn't record none of it. But now we're in Mississippi. We're in Mississippi at a rest area / welcome center, I think they called it. I'm just going to take a break because it's really hot. Give old Rusty a break. Give the ORV a break. Get a break. Give her a break. Anywho, we're going to walk around here for a little bit. We'll be back in just a minute. This is a pretty nice quick stop rest area, so to speak. It has RV, I'm assuming semis could probably park there too, but anyway, it's designated as RV and vehicles with trailer parking. Has a walking trail, a dog walk, a random person staring at me. I don't know what all that is, but pretty flowers. And she's seen it. I kind of seen it too, but anyway, way over here, possibility, if I can hold it still, to get water. It's blue, so it should be potable water. I don't know if that's what it's for, but it's there. And you can recycle your pop cans right there. Any comments on the Mississippi Welcome Center?
Nope. It's nice.
That was her comment. It's nice. Stop number 2. Or is this stop number 3? I don't remember. There and there. We're at a park. Tupelo Battlefield Ballpark. Oh, I thought there was more than that.
Ballard Park.
That's not very exciting. I was thinking it was more than that. My scooter's on the ground. Look out, Russ. Come on, Russ. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot I had the camera running. I was checking out my scooter. I got it pretty close to the ground there. But I think it's all right. The ORV doing good, thank the Lord. Look at my oil, check the air pressure in that tire though. They all look the same. Anywho, this is the park. It's 295,000 degrees today. So we're gonna hang out here, I guess, for a little while. And then I forgot what we were going to do. Are we staying here or moving on?
I think we're going to move on.
Oh, then we're moving on.
We thought this was the casino town.
Yeah. A bunch of kids over there. Well, I don't know if they're kids, but having some kind of event practice or... There they are. Either way, it's actually a huge complex. There's ball fields.
There's an RV park back there too.
Ball fields way back there. And way over there. And there's a pond. And there's a table. And there's a...
A bench. There's gotta be a bench.
A bench. They're running around the sun. And you got this one over here just chilling in the shade. He's like, y'all are fools. I ain't running around out there. So we're trying to get to this elusive pond she keeps claiming. It's latitude 17, longitude 19. They got, I'm not gonna zoom in on everything, but up there they got pavilions. We have, look like somebody is having a reunion. Over here is a kiddie playground, and I think over that hillside is the pond. That's Rusty looking for something to pee on. And then were some kind of crazy looking ducks. And we're out. Come on, Russ, you flea bag. Let's go, buddy. It's hot, I know. We'll get up here to the water that you can't get in a minute. There's some more crazy birds. Oh, there's a bunch coming out from behind there. Anywho, we're sitting in the shade. This looks like it could be probably like an outdoor concert thing. Looking at the lake. This is called Ballard. There's a sign over there. I think I can get the sign to zoom in. Ballard Lake. It's like a sports complex. There's soccer fields here, and I think I seen, wasn't that a baseball field or something? Anyway, a big amphitheater thing over there we stand at earlier. Kids play area, and there's a play area behind us. This pond that she's seen a lot of fish in. There's actually quite a bit of fish. And then this thing, glad to have it today because it's hot. I'll report back later when we, where are we staying at? The rest area? Or?
I think we're gonna, yeah, right outside of town.
Okay, we're probably gonna camp at a rest area tonight. She said right outside town.
Yeah. It's hot today. Today is gonna be 90 degrees.
And one of them too, someone's been asking about you if he's okay because they haven't been seeing you.
Oh, hi guys. I'm good.
I'm terrible with names. I can't remember her name, but anywho, I'm out. Over and out.